Welcome back to Home Sweet Home. Today we come up with a beautiful house. This house built on a 5-cent plot in Kerala. The house exudes an elegance that goes together with the tastefully designed landscape. The exteriors and the interiors feature the classy charm of the contemporary architecture style. The family wanted the house to have a peaceful and serene environment which emanates positive vibes. The construction was completed quite rapidly, as the owner had a clear idea about the plan and the design of the house. The elevation has been designed, projecting the scintillating beauty of the straight lines. Pleasant shades like dark grey and wooden brown tones the elevation, where claddings and groves set the perfect contrast. Meanwhile, the interiors are designed following the theme of minimalism. Lighter shades of hues are used on the walls, furniture and decor as well, making the spaces look vast and spacious. Though the interiors are in the open style, glass doors are installed to ensure enough privacy. The positions of the living and the dining areas, bedrooms and the stairway are all designed to receive maximum natural light. This makes the interior spaces look vast and incredibly attractive as well. The living area is the liveliest spot in the house, and the windows installed on a lower height effortlessly let in the sunshine, which beautifully illuminates this space. This area, designed in double height, is highlighted on the elevation with horizontal lines made of GI pipes. The stairway begins from the common area, and you could enjoy the beautiful view of the interiors as you climb up the stairs. A home theatre and a prayer area are arranged on the first landing. The steps are made in wood, and a wall beside the stairway is highlighted using a pleasant shade of orange. The stunning chandelier, which looks like it blooms out of the roof, is an eye-catching piece of decor. The house currently has 2 bedrooms, and there is enough room to build new ones when required. The bedrooms are elegant and comfortable and stand out for its unique decor and furnishing. The wardrobes and the cots are made using marine plywood and laminated mica. The kitchen has all the modern facilities. Besides the working kitchen, there is a storage space as well. The pantry area, which opens to the dining space, also acts as a breakfast counter. Classy furniture, attractive ceiling and pleasant lighting play vital roles in making the interiors look mesmerizing. A combination of grey, white and wooden brown shades of hues dominates the interior spaces. Vitrified tiles in grey color are paved on the floor. The neutral shades of colors, minimal furnishing and decor and smart designing are some of the features that reflect the preferences and interests of the new generation. We hope you enjoyed the video. Feel free to comment in the box your feedback and opinion about our videos.